Is your air conditioner failing to cool your space? This video provides a systematic diagnostic guide for technical students, covering 12 common causes to check first when troubleshooting. The golden rule of diagnostics is safety first. Homeowners can safely clean accessible filters, check remote settings, and remove obvious obstructions. However, never attempt to open electrical panels, handle refrigerant, test capacitors, or work on energized equipment. These tasks are for qualified technicians only. We use a diagnostic funnel framework. We start with Tier 1, User and Environment, checking settings and heat loads. Next is Tier 2, Airflow and Heat Exchange, inspecting filters and coils. Finally, Tier 3 covers the core system, including refrigerant, compressors, and power. In Tier 1, we assess environmental heat load. Beyond room size, consider ceiling height, insulation, and occupancy. Factors like open doors, direct sunlight, and heat-generating appliances can easily overwhelm an air conditioner, causing it to run continuously without cooling the room. Next, verify your temperature settings. The system must be set to cool mode, not fan, dry, or auto. Maintain a set point between 24 and 26 degrees Celsius, and always allow the system sufficient time to stabilize the room temperature. Tier 2 focuses on airflow. A dirty filter blocks air, leading to continuous running and eventually causing the coil to freeze. If you see ice, switch the unit to fan mode to melt it naturally. Never use sharp objects to chip away ice, as this will damage the coils. Coil maintenance is vital. Indoor evaporator coils must be free of dust, which acts as insulation, while outdoor condenser coils need clearance from dirt and leaves. Always ensure the electrical supply is off before attempting to clean these components. Moving to Tier 3, let's address the refrigerant myth. It does not get used up. If your system is low, there is a leak. Simply adding more refrigerant is not a solution. Signs of a leak include poor cooling, icy pipes, and audible hissing sounds. The mechanical core consists of the compressor and the outdoor fan. If the fan stops, the compressor overheats. Issues here, such as faulty capacitors or motor failure, require professional diagnosis and electrical measurement by a qualified technician. Electrical failures pose serious hazards. Stop using your AC immediately if you notice tripping circuit breakers, burning smells, flickering lights, or unusual buzzing. These are signs of severe wiring or voltage problems that require urgent professional attention. Use this synthesis matrix to correlate symptoms with root causes. Whether it's ice buildup, weak airflow, burning smells, or continuous running, this table identifies the appropriate tier of action required to resolve the issue effectively. Follow this troubleshooting blueprint. Start by checking your mode and temperature settings, then verify if your filters are clean. Confirm that the indoor airflow is strong and that the outdoor unit is operating as expected. Continue your inspection by checking the outdoor condenser, looking for ice, and ensuring windows are closed to minimize heat load. If these steps do not restore cooling, contact a professional to inspect the refrigerant, sensors, and internal components. Finally, adopt the master technician's mindset. Do not automatically assume you need more refrigerant. Logically evaluate all potential causes like dirty filters, restricted airflow, or incorrect settings. Diagnose before you act.